Teeth whitening has become a popular beauty trend, with people looking for that perfect smile. With the rise in demand for teeth whitening services, now is the perfect time to learn professional teeth whitening techniques by taking a course. The course will teach attendees how to safely and effectively apply various teeth whitening products and techniques. The comprehensive program will cover topics such as client consultation, product selection, application methods, and regulatory guidelines. In Australia, professional teeth whitening services are highly sought after, but the demand for qualified technicians to deliver these services is on the rise. A professional teeth whitening course could be your ticket to success. For those looking to expand their skills and learn more about teeth whitening in Australia, a professional teeth whitening course allows students to gain expert knowledge and become certified as qualified technicians. Professional courses cover topics from basic dental hygiene to more advanced techniques such as in-chair whitening systems. The curriculum also includes client preparation and post-procedure care that are essential for providing high-quality service. At the end of the course, attendees will be equipped with all the necessary knowledge to provide safe and successful results when performing professional teeth whitening services on clients. Teeth Whitening Wholesale provides products and information on all aspects of teeth whitening treatments. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and provide excellent care, consider taking one of these courses today.